Hey everybody, welcome back to EAB DIY. Today we're talking about what the heck do I do with that oscillating tool I bought that one time. You know who you are. You went out and spent a bunch of money on some gear for a great project. Turned out you were just changing a table leg. Now you got yourself an oscillating tool and you're like, what the heck do I do with it? Turns out a lot. Check it. First up, plunge cuts. Picture this, you got a piece of plywood and some bored kids. Just plunge cut that bad boy and blammo, you got yourself some beanbag toss and 30 minutes of me time. Plunge cuts are super useful. You can use it for undercutting door jambs, cutting out damaged flooring, putting holes in drywall for electrical. Super useful cut. You can use it for many different situations. Next up, grout removal. If you've ever tried grout removal by hand, then your hand is probably a permanent claw by now. If you use a grout removal blade or a rasp blade with carbide grit, it's super quick, super easy with 100% less hand clawing. Next up, sanding. Probably the most popular use for oscillating tools. We've got a universal fit Velcro sanding pad with various grits for any sanding job you can imagine. I know what you're thinking. Sanding, plunge cuts, grout removal, oh my! But wait, there's more! Oscillating tools are great for scraping and cutting as well. Whether it's removing old adhesive, glue, paint, caulking sealant, or cutting flooring or roofing tiles, anywhere there's a long straight cut, it's perfect for it. Basically, an oscillating tool can do anything except your taxes. And I know because the government told me I can't have a tool as my accountant. At Exchange-A-Blade, we have a ton of different oscillating tool accessories. We've got a blade to fit any type of job, any tool. Whether your tool uses the universal fit system, the new Starlock system, or the original OIS, we've got a blade for you for any type of job. And we sell them in multi-packs so you can keep that versatility while saving some cash. Well, that's it, everybody. Hopefully we've convinced you your oscillating tool was in fact a good buy. Smash that subscribe button for more videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you next time.